Chocolate chickpea brownies, y'all. They're oil-free, plant-based, and hella fudgy. You know how they say, bet you can't have just one? Well, all you need is one. These are 200 calories each, approximately 200 calories each, and it gives you just enough for when you just want a little something. And let's get started. These are all the ingredients. I have them laid out. Make sure you do the same. We've got chickpeas, PB2 powder. I got the one with the extra sugar and salt added. We've got oats because we're going to be making our own oat flour, y'all. Applesauce, you can get any kind. Just make sure it's unsweetened. Coconut sugar, dark cocoa powder, regular cocoa powder, vanilla extract, baking powder. These are the chocolate chips I'm using. You guys can use any brand. These are the kind that I like to use. Use whatever you like. We've got dry roasted peanuts for the topping. You can replace them with any nut that you prefer. And there's pink salt. You can use regular salt if you like, baking soda, and I got these little silicone baking cups from Target. I really love them. They're non-stick. They're durable. You can wash them. I think the brand is called Figment. It's called Figment. So anyway, you want to start off by rinsing your chickpeas and setting them aside. Next, you're going to see me prep the oat flour. I don't buy oat flour anymore because I just make my own with a spice grinder or a food processor. So you're going to add the chickpeas in there. Got the PB2 powder. Sprinkle in the coconut sugar, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Both types of cocoa powder. We got the applesauce. Sprinkle in a little bit of water and the vanilla extract. Don't forget the chocolate chips. We're gonna mix it on up until we get a nice thick cookie dough texture. Now, if you want to, you can actually stop right here. You can put it into a container and eat it as is. You could spray it on anything you want. You could spoon it. You don't have to bake these because after all, these are vegan, plant-based, right? Whatever you want to call it. There's no animal products. There's no raw egg in there. So feel free to eat the batter as is. I chose to separate the batter into individual servings, which you can see me doing here, because if you don't know, I've been tracking everything I've been eating. And so far I am down, at the time of this recording, I'm down a little over 7 pounds in about 19 days. As you can see here, I added the crushed peanuts. I'm gonna bake it on up for about 13 to 14 minutes. Now here's a caveat. When you take these out of the oven, they will absolutely look undone, but let them sit for a little bit, ideally overnight. And this is what they look like when I pop them out of these silicone molds. Look at that. Look how easily they come out. If you decide to make these, you want to store them in an airtight container and enjoy within 3 to 4 days. If you're ready for something new, give this recipe a try and come back here in the comments and let me know how you like it. If you made any substitutions, if you have any questions about the ingredients, or if you want to just stop by and say, hey girl, hey, you can do that as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.